Good morning, guys, or good evening, or good afternoon. How's your day going? Well, my name is Ron, and welcome back. Well, today is Monday. It is June 20th, and one big week to go before the big push to get all this weight off. And today we're doing a 5 to 7 day egg fast starting today. So today I thought, since I haven't really done this particular recipe on my YouTube channel, I'm going to be making some Instant Pot egg bites. And for this particular ingredients, we'll need 6 eggs, half a cup of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder to taste, and a little bit of cheddar cheese. And for our choice of meat, we're going to put a couple of slices of deli ham that we have left over from last week because we don't want to throw it out because food is very expensive. So what we'll do with that, we'll take the deli meat and we're going to cube it up into very small little tiny pieces, and we're going to fill in the silicone mold, and everything gets cooked according to everything gets cooked according to the directions. And I'll have the directions over the timeline. Now, I'm not going to be talking over this video, but I bought this silicone mold off of Amazon, and it's got a nice plastic lid. And usually what I'll do is I'll put the ham in each one, and then you can put bacon if you have bacon, or sausages, whatever you want, and or Spam even. And then I'll put a little bit of cheese. We're going to use the cheddar cheese this morning, and then I'll top each one off with the egg mixture. And the egg mixture we're going to be doing in a Ninja blender, okay, with half a cup of cream, and the salt, pepper, and the onion powder, garlic powder. I might even put some onions and peppers in here, and a couple of them, have a couple of different ones. And then what we'll do at that point, we'll put a piece of paper towel over the top over here so to keep the moisture from getting in. And then we'll put this over the top. And if you don't have the lid, you can put aluminum foil over it, and that'll keep the moisture from coming into the silicone container. And then we got a trivet. Now, we're not going to use the trivet that came with it. We bought this trivet. I got it at Amazon. I think I paid about $10 for it. And what we'll do with the trivet, we'll put this on top of that. And then what we'll do is we'll just kind of like, anyways, I'm going to show you. I'll show you when we actually do it. It's got a little, what are these little hooks? It just kind of like snaps right in. Okay? And then it makes it easy to pick it up and drop it into your Instant Pot. And we're using a 6-quart Instant Pot, by the way. We do got an 8-quart, but I got it downstairs in the cellar. But so yeah, so we're gonna have surgery next Monday. Wednesday, I got to go down to Boston for a stress test, and that's a 4-hour test. And so I'm gonna try to get there myself somehow. I have somebody drop me off, and I'll find a way to get home. But I don't think it's fair for somebody to be sitting there all day waiting for me, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the surgery, and I'll keep you posted over the course of the week. But anyways, I made this a few times before, so I have very confident in my ability to how to do this, and I'll put it all together with a little bit of music. And you're gonna need I got a measuring cup. You don't really need the measuring cup, but when I'm done with the egg mixture, I'm gonna pour the egg mixture in the measuring cup. And it makes it easy to pour because it's got a nice pointed thing when you pour in it, so you don't make a mess all over the place. And I'll fill those up to about maybe 3/4 of the way, and maybe just almost to the top. And show you, and just be following the video along what I do, and you'll be fine. And I'll have some music below the timeline along with the instructions along the way. Now, I don't know who the original YouTuber was, but I found the YouTuber that I'm using this from is Annie from Keto Focus. And there's a whole host of other ones that I follow that put these there's a whole host of other ones that put these particular recipes together that I follow. But I really love her channel. She talks nice and clear. She's a marvelous YouTuber, and she's been doing low carb weight loss for quite a while. She's married with kids, and she makes a lot of meals for the kids and on the go type deals. She uses air frying, Instant Pot cooking, oven cooking, and microwave cooking. I would highly recommend watching her channel. So if you're trying to lose weight like we are, and that's how I've been really successful losing weight. But most of you know that's been following my journey. I've lost over 130 pounds since I started my weight loss a couple of years ago. And we're coming up the 3-year anniversary in August. So I'm just trying to push off this weight to get down to the Wonderland. So anyways, without further ado, let's just go right to it and just follow me along with whatever I'm doing. Like again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you can use any kind of meat that you want. You don't even have to use meat if you don't want to. But let's get right to it. Okay, so it's been a little bit over 5 minutes at natural release. Now we're going to pop it and we're going to see what they look like, and hopefully we won't need to put them back in for any more time. See all that water moisture there, a lot of that would have gotten into the eggs had I not done that. I hadn't made these in a while, and I wanted to see how they come out. And this time I made them with the ham and the cheese. Now let's take this trivet off of here. And again, the links are all below the video. So we're going to take this towel. We're going to take the cover off, and then paper towel. Look at that, guys, huh? Look at that. Reposition the camera. We're going to flip them onto a plate without making a mess, hopefully. So all we do at this point is I'm going to take a plate and I'm going to put the plate over here like that. And I'm going to carefully put my hand underneath the towel so I don't burn myself, but flip them. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of push them in. I think they all came out. Wow, look at that. And it came out nice and clean, as you can see. Well, this is our Instant Pot egg bites there. They just came out of the Instant Pot. And they pop right out of the silicone with no problem. And you can see they're done. And let's go in the back room and sample one to show you how they give you the taste test. Hi guys, and welcome back. Well, I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a new member, could you please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Loving Keto, Ron's Weight Loss Journey. And these are some of the most popular recipes that I made over the last 2 years doing low carb weight loss, basically keto. And I was very, very successful losing weight. Now we hit a little bit of a stall this month, I think, because I didn't weigh myself in yet for the month of June. But I wanted to do a 5-day egg fast and break it off probably Saturday or Sunday just before I go in for surgery next week. But this is what we came up with. We have, look at this. We have Starbucks style egg bites. That look really good. So we're going to sample one together. I haven't had these in ages, but so basically what we did was we took 6 eggs, cracked them in the Ninja, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Everything was all to taste, maybe about a half a teaspoon. Blended it really well with a half a cup of heavy cream. And that was according to the YouTuber that I researched this from. Now I haven't made these in quite a long time, but I've been wanting to make those for a while. And then in the Instant Pot, we put a cup of cold water in. We had to put the once we got everything all mixed up, we took some ham, we sliced it up, a couple of slices of deli meat, and we put in each one of the silicone molds, we put a little bit of ham and a little bit of cheddar cheese. Put a towel on top of the mold itself so the moisture would keep out. Put the plastic lid on top that came with the mold. Put it on the trivet, put it into the Instant Pot. We did 10 minutes on steam, and we let it natural release for 5 minutes. Closed it. Pop the lid, and this is the result. Now let's take a test on a taste test on one of these. I'm going to flip the camera around because I'm trying to film this for the channel. Okay, so now we're going to do the taste test on one of these, and the rest of them I'm going to put in a bowl for later on. I haven't made these in quite a long time, and I've been wanting to do it, give you guys a sample on how these taste. Like I said, if you got kids here, these are perfect for the kids. Look at that. Nice and creamy in the middle. Yeah, I can grab a photo off the video. Look at that, guys, huh? You can see you got the cheese. These are really, really good. I would recommend maybe a little bit of ketchup or a little bit of mayonnaise on them. Something to, but other than that, maybe a little more spice on and maybe some hot sauce if you're into hot sauce. But I just wanted to show you what they look like. They just came out. They've been cooling. They're really, really good. Couple of suggestions. Instead of using ham, you could put bacon. You could put onions and peppers, but we were going to do that, but we decided not to. You could put sausage meat in there. You could put pepperoni in there. There's a lot of possibilities with this. And you could even top it off with a little bit of red sauce if you wanted to do that too. If you had the marinara sauce. Look at that. But these are really great. But anyways, hope you really liked this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be putting up more and more videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be putting up more and more videos as I get time to make them. So remember, caring is sharing. And once again, just asking you for your prayers for next week. I have to go in for hip surgery next Monday. I'll be staying in the hospital overnight, and hopefully they'll release me on Tuesday sometime when they know that I'm okay. And then it's going to be a long road to recovery. So, yeah. So anyways, thank you for joining this channel, Ron's weight loss journey, aka Loving Keto. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay vigilant. Remember, you guys are amazing. Love you guys.